Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make frame perfects in Geometry Dash. A frame perfect input means you must press a button within a single, specific frame of the game's 60 frames per second. This incredibly precise timing is crucial for navigating complex sections and achieving mastery in many advanced levels. Understanding this fundamental concept is your first step towards executing these challenging maneuvers consistently. To achieve precise timing, consider practicing on a monitor with a consistent refresh rate, such as 144 Hz, for optimal visual feedback. Many players find using an audible click sound helps synchronize their inputs with the game's rhythm. Developing strong muscle memory through dedicated, focused repetition is absolutely key to internalizing the exact moment to press, making your inputs feel natural and consistent. Optimizing your setup can significantly improve your frame perfect success. Invest in a low-latency mouse or keyboard to ensure your inputs register as quickly as possible. Adjusting in-game settings, like turning off VSync if it causes lag, can also reduce delays. Furthermore, the practice mode is an invaluable tool. It allows you to slow down the game, isolate difficult sections, and learn the exact timing without constant restarts. Overcoming the challenges of frame perfects requires patience and strategy. If your timing feels inconsistent, dedicate structured practice sessions to specific sections, focusing on one input at a time. For input lag, ensure your hardware connections are secure and your software settings are optimized. Remember to break down complex sequences into smaller, more manageable frame perfect segments, mastering each part before combining them. Persistence is your greatest asset here.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.